Oh.
There you go.
Alright, we are here at Harvey Norman because we're getting a new camera. So excited because this one just ain't cutting it.
That's right.
Ooh, got our bag. We've just been to Harvey Norman and we have purchased something that kind of, especially with the lack of our GoPro now, if you've been watching you know that we accidentally drowned that. So now we've got this things in this bag and I will unbox that in just a sec with the magic of camera. And so yeah, I'm really happy about this. I'm really excited. So it should be pretty good. Hi, my name's Star. I live aboard a catamaran with my family. This is our floating home. Together we renovate our little house, all the while sailing in search of a new adventure. We explore hidden wonders and island hideaways. The water meets the sky. Join us as we take this journey. Alright, we got an EOS M50. Yay! So today we went to Harvey Norman and we got a new camera and a few other things that I'm going to show you to you and explain why we got them. Ooh, an instruction manual. I may probably never read. So tiny. We've been using a big DSLR Nikon D50-200. I always say it wrong. Yeah. So this is tiny. Also in the box, the strap, charger cable, charger itself, battery, that's important, and the lens. It's our bitty baby. It's so adorably cute. Woohoo! Oh, it's locked. Dear do I. I don't know why it's not going back. Does it not go back down that far? I don't know. Anyway, I'll figure it out. The reason we got this camera is we've been using our big D50-200. Why do I always forget that? So hard to say. Anyway, I'm gonna unpack the rest of that. I need caps, man. Actually, I need that. The next thing we got, actually, I'll do this first. This. It's a UV filter because it protects your lens and also helps with UV. Added bonus, but mainly it's like a screen protector for your phone. So it's always great to have one of those. The next thing we got to do with the camera, and we never intended to buy this, it is a bag for the camera. So that just fits right. I think I have to take the lens off. Yeah, I have to take the lens off. That's too much work. But anyway, it fits. Next thing we got was a jobby pod? Handy pod. That was close. Jobby handy pod. Even better. This is going to be one of those boxes that's really hard to get into, isn't it? Why? You weren't supposed to open it that way? Oh. Jobby pod. Get one. They're helpful. Alright, that's all from me. I'm running out of battery. I'm gonna test this thing out. Okay.
Where are we going today, Star?
We are going to Kmart and to the op shops because we need some more tops, and I need to go and look at a mirror and a ring light, that's what it's called. And we've got to go to Queensland Roads to finish transferring over my license.
And we're going to go to the engineer to check out the new back deck and make some modifications for that. Star's going to get a few more hours driving, and she's not going to crash the car, are you, Star?
No promises.
Oh dear. Alright, so we're nearly at Gympie Steel and Aluminium to go and check out our back deck. So yeah, turn right down this street and we're here. Alright, there's the office.
We are here at Aluminium and Steel place to get the look at our back deck that's getting made, which I think I mentioned in last week's video. So yeah. We are almost done here at Steel and Aluminium. It's the other way around. I said it backwards last time. My bad. We're almost done here, and I don't know where we're gonna go next. Alright, so back on the boat. Today was almost utterly pointless. The only thing that we got out of it was this. Biodegradable cat poopy bags. For when we have to empty the kitty litter and we are too close to shore. If you are within 3k of shore, you're not allowed to like put stuff overboard. So we like to be a bit more eco-friendly when throwing out our cat crap. Anyway, I thought I would do some editing for this vlog actually. Oh yeah, I've got to upload episode 15. No, I uploaded it. It was uploaded. Just got to put the thumbnail on and then schedule it to go this coming Friday, which will be the last Friday as you're watching this. Anyway, I'm gonna get doing on that. Alright, I'm just gonna do some editing for this vlog. finished uploading vlog 16 episodes. No, 15. 15. And Belle's being a cutie. Oh, Bella. Anyway, sidetracked. Yeah, so I don't know, I do a lot of the YouTube. That's all I do, pretty much. It's a full-time job. Alright, I have finished uploading vlog number 15, and now I'm gonna continue working on vlog 17 at 16. I can't count. And editing it because I have a lot to edit. So, done a lot of editing. It's time to take a break now. Time to cut my hair. I just need to find a clip. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I got my hair cut. Yeah, I think it looks nice. I don't know what you think. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. All of the links to the stuff we bought except for the UV filter, because throughout the packaging, and I don't know what it's called, probably says on the side, but it's too much work. Anyway, everything else will be linked below. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me if you want more of videos like this. It was a little bit different because we didn't really go anywhere, so we couldn't really show any travel like normal. But yeah, anyway, just tell me what you think. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, go to our socials, and we'll see you next week. Thank you for watching.